Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to compile and run a C++ program using terminal in Ubuntu or Linux using G++ compiler. Let's get started by opening a new terminal. Now create a file with any text editor. My case, Vim text editor is preferred, and file name is my cpp.cpp. Okay, now I will create a simple C++ program. Okay, hello world. Okay, now I am going to compile this simple program from terminal. Ensure that you have installed GCC compiler in your system by this command. Sorry, G++ compiler. Okay, now type this command G++ and C++ program file with extension, and then use O-O for object code and a file name for object code without extension. You can change it any name. Hello cpp. Okay, now run this program with dot slash and object name hello cpp. Hit enter and you will see a message hello world. If you like this video, give a like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.